In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can screenshot on your Windows 10 PC. So screenshotting on Windows 10 is really useful if you want to screenshot a certain part of your screen, so for example like that. Or you can screenshot the whole screen, or you can also do it in freeform, so you could draw around something and then screenshot that on its own. So to do this, what you need to do is simply hold down Shift, the Windows key and select S. Once you do that, your screen will darken a little bit and then you'll get this little bar at the top here. And as you can see, you've got the rectangular snip, you have got the freeform snip, you have got the window snip, and you have got the full screen snip. So what you can do is choose which one you want to use. So for example, if I wanted to choose the rectangular snip and then just snip a certain part of my screen, if I select that, my screen will remain like greyed out. So if I wanted to screenshot my thumbnails here that are on my desktop, all I simply need to do is draw around this section of my screen. Once you let go, it will snip that part alone. So as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, what that will do is it will just snip that exact little bit. And as you can see there, that is how you can go ahead and screenshot on your Windows 10 PC.